Okay, so Quan, we're here at Supercomm 2009 today, and I have one question for you.
Okay.
If you had a magic wand and could get your network to do one thing, what would it be? Speak up, please.
You know, I think for us, the network itself, at least the way I look at it, the network itself isn't really the service. You know, there's all the applications that run on it, and what we want the network to do is be able to support those services and be the enabler. So
Okay.
you know, when you look at things like QoS and managing user subscribers and also from a carrier point of view to be able to bill for those services.
Sure.
That's what we want the network to do, and how you do that. There's a whole range of services,
Yeah.
right?
So
but
you
we
want
want it to be the enabler.
Okay. So you're looking for a more intelligent network, are you?
Yeah, I mean intelligence to support the business, right?
Okay. So, in addition to looking at supporting your business, are you looking for a network that will help you kind of pinpoint where your problems are?
Sure. I mean, operations is always a big thing. It's always a headache. And when the solutions come about, that's one of the big things that we look at. What is the operational cost of doing this? So, the capex is just the initial look. It's really the opex and the operational costs and just how easy it is. So if it provides benefits, it's worth the cost. But if there's a good solution, but it brings a whole huge operational nightmare, it may not be worth it. The solution may not be worth it.
So you mentioned costs and paying a little bit more for something that you think is more reliable and that will add value to you. What would you think about paying a little bit more for a product that gives you energy savings? Would you pay more for a product?
Yeah, I mean that kind of comes down to kind of operational costs, and that's what some of the things we look at. What is the whole life cycle, cost of a solution, and some of that includes the, things like the power and if there is backhauls involved, just a monthly cost involved.
Okay, great. Is there anything else you've noticed so far at the show that you think is really interesting?
It just started, so I'm just looking, so I haven't yet made up my mind.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you very much for the time.
Sure.